so you're thinking about moving to Long Beach, California. Hey everyone, my name is Matt here, one of the creators here on the YouTube channel. And I'm going to be taking you through the beautiful city of Long Beach. I'm currently in downtown Long Beach, right off of Ocean Boulevard, just to kind of show you how it is here. But what I'm going to do in this video is we're going to check out some different price points in the area. If you're looking to buy in the area, just what to expect. And if you stick around, show you some of the fun, entertaining areas to go to with friends and family. Check it out. So welcome to the neighborhoods of Long Beach. All right, we're very close to the 710 freeway. Just for you guys to know a little bit about the neighborhoods of Long Beach, average price point for the whole city of Long Beach is right around that $900,000 price range. For a single family home, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 898 is somewhere to be specific. But this is kind of what you could expect here in the city of Long Beach. You know, you got some very open road, big wide roads, and then there's some really tiny roads. But the first house that I'm going to show you today is going to be on the lower end. This is a house that's going for $785,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,176 square foot home, going for $785,000. And so we're going to go ahead and check that out right now. Alrighty, welcome home. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot home. First bedroom here. Bathroom. Really remodeled. All done. View to the backyard. This is what you could get for $785,000 here in the area. Kitchen, fridge, space, kitchenette, spot for the stove, a bar top, an extra dining area here, and an extra maybe living room space. Here's a 3rd bedroom here, okay, with some closet space and a master bathroom. Standing shower, beautiful home, looking out to the backyard with a 2-car garage there. All right. Pretty nice, you know, pretty nice home. Really remodeled, well done. So this is going for $785,000 again. Pretty decent lot size as well. And so just for you to get an idea, pretty spacious garage here. Okay, and this is the backyard. Leads straight into the alley if you want to drive in and park your cars in the 2-car door garage. All right, let's go ahead and check the next one. All right, welcome to another side of Long Beach here. The next house we're going to see is located near the Bixby Knolls area, going for $929,000. This area is on the higher end, I would say. In Long Beach, you know, you when you're going northwest side of Long Beach, you got Bixby Knolls as well as California Heights, and you get a lot of homes like this. Kind of, you got sidewalks here, a lot of space on the roads here, beautiful, well kept up homes. And so, you know, this is kind of what you can expect when you're in the Bixby Knolls area, you know, California Heights area. And so the next one we're going to see is actually located here, you know, kind of like on the northwest side of Long Beach. And so we can go ahead and check this home out and see how it looks. Let's go. All right, welcome to this beautiful home here, going for $929,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Really well done. Just beautiful colors throughout the home. White quartz countertops. You know, that black, look, kind of that stainless steel as well, stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen. You got an island. All right, you got the living room here. Okay, I mean, really well kept home, you know. Well done, I should say, well remodeled. So this is the first bedroom right here. Yeah. Closet. So the square footage of this home is 1,173. But you know, something about this home that you could feel the difference. It's just a great utilization of the space, the square footage. Rooms feel a little bit bigger. It's sitting on a 6,000 square foot lot home. Master bedroom here. Master bathroom. Second shower. Jack and Jill. Sink. All right. Beautiful, well done, huh? Closet space. Beautiful home. Let's check the backyard out. Wow, beautiful backyard. Well landscaped. Yeah, so like I mentioned, 6,000 square foot lot home with a detached garage here that could have its separate access, looks like. That's how the garage looks. Wow. So you can see this home is going for $929,000. Very beautiful home, well done. It shows really well in a great neighborhood as well. I mean, it just shows as well. And so this is kind of what you could get for $929,000, right around that 900 to 950 price range, in the Long Beach area. This is kind of what you could expect. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Really beautiful home. I mean, look at that kitchen, right? And all bedrooms over there to the left, and it's just a beautiful home. And so this is what you could get for this price range. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys how it would look. Let's go on to the next home. All right, and that was our second home. So hope you like that home. It's a beautiful property. Like I mentioned, going for $929,000. This is what you can get right here. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the neighborhood of Bixby Knolls, near California Heights and Bixby Knolls. These are pretty nice, really nice neighborhoods. I mean, all of Long Beach is great, you know, but this is the price range what you could expect in these areas. And now for our last house, we're going to be in the area near El Dorado Park. I believe we're in Carson Park here in the area, but this is in Long Beach. This is a specific type of neighborhood right near El Dorado, is where everyone is very familiar with. This neighborhood, I would say, is closer to Lakewood, kind of on the eastern side of Long Beach. Still considered Long Beach, but it's such a beautiful neighborhood as well. You can kind of get an idea of, you know, what to expect here. This is how the neighborhood feels, very much so. You know, it's like Rancho, Carson Park, I believe, area. And so, you know, beautiful, beautiful area. And you got beautiful homes. And so we're going to see our third and final home of the area. And this was going for a little over $1 million, actually, $1.1 million. So we can go ahead and check it out here. Here it is. So this is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Going for $1,099,000. Let's go ahead and check it out. Beautiful kitchen here. The square footage is about 1,200 square feet. You got bedrooms over here on the right side, so it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, beautiful home. Well done. Very beautiful, in great condition. You got bedroom number 2 here. So 1,200 square feet property. Little window. Okay. Closet. Closet space here. The hallway, some linen cabinets. This is the bathroom. All right, first bathroom here. This would be the master bedroom right here. Beautiful master bedroom with its own closet space, and its own bathroom. Beautiful bathroom space. So, as you can see, beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath house here near the El Dorado Park area, and just a beautiful home. Really, this is something you could expect in this side of Long Beach. Now, the purchase price for this home, like I mentioned, $1,099,000, so almost 1.1. Okay, and this is the neighborhood, really the neighborhood of Carson Park, and so. Beautiful home, really well done. I mean, just look at it, it's really beautiful. Yeah, and so you got this kind of neighborhood here, and this is what you can kind of expect in this side of Long Beach, really. And so, yeah, I mean, Long Beach overall is such a beautiful city. Got a lot of pockets, like very diverse pockets of neighborhoods, so many neighborhoods. Long Beach is really one of the bigger cities along the 605 freeway and just here in Southern California. You got so many, like I mentioned, 24 zip codes here in the city. And, you know, I'm sure this won't be the last video we'll do on Long Beach, but it's definitely got to be one of the first just to get the ball rolling and, you know, start helping you guys understand what it's like living here in beautiful Long Beach. You know, I was born here in Long Beach, spent some time growing up here with my family, my siblings, and my mom and dad. They grew up here too, so we have a lot of roots here. So can't complain about this city at all. I mean, so many diverse things that you can expect. It's just a beautiful city. Yeah, this is Long Beach, and you know, there's so much more to explore. There's so many more videos I'm sure to come out about this, and looking forward to just showing you guys more of the city of Long Beach, what you could expect. If you're definitely looking to move into the Long Beach area, let me know. We'd love to do it. We'd love to show you how it works and all that, so let me know. Hey everyone, so we're here in Shoreline Village. Beautiful Shoreline Village. It's one of the more fun places to come to in Long Beach, and there's just a couple of things that you can see or do here. You could take a little ferry out to the little bay. There's a lighthouse here, a lot of food, great pizza place. Actually, one of my favorite places to go is here with my family. Pizza's pretty good, I gotta say. And so, yeah, we got ice cream here. Just kind of like a fun place to go to on the weekends with your family and friends, and just kind of enjoy the time here. And so you got ice cream, you got like kind of entertainment area. There's a great game house with arcades and like a carousel, kind of, something that you can take the kids to. And yeah, so this is Shoreline Village, very beautiful, about 15-minute drive from downtown Long Beach. You also got the Pike nearby. So a lot of things just that you could do here. And so definitely one of the places that I would recommend. Definitely fun time to come with friends and family, enjoy some snacks, some foods, and just some entertainment with some family and friends. So definitely would recommend Shoreline Village. And also another great place that a lot of family or locals like to go hang out, maybe have some food,
a little bit of hip restaurants, is a place called Second Street in Long Beach. Now, this is definitely a local favorite near Belmont Shores. You're close to the beach. You got coffee shops. You got quite little food spots, some little retail shops that you could walk along, have some, food, hang out with friends. Is definitely another place that you would like to go and hang out with friends or family as well. During the weekends. Now, besides Shoreline Village as a beautiful place to go, we also have a great place called the Pike Outlets. Now, if you're looking to go with family, go shopping maybe a little bit, go to the movies, maybe have some food, this is a great place to go here in Long Beach as well. They have a Ferris wheel here. They have a Mexican food place called Calaveras. Food truck vendors that, serve good food as well that you can get and eat with family. Definitely a place to go. They have the Laugh Factory. Definitely a place that would be a fun time to go with friends or family.
And that's pretty much it for the city of Long Beach. I mean, I hope we showed you a lot of things that you could do, how the neighborhoods at different price points that you could get here in the big city of Long Beach. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to message me directly or comment in the section below, and we'd love to help you out, answer any questions, kind of guide you through this process. Of course, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help out. Talk to you guys soon.